Hey loves, welcome to episode 6. In today's DIY makeup series, I'll be showing you how to apply a perfect nude lips that look smooth, blended and beginner friendly. Before we start, here are the products you will need: a brown lip stain, a lip brush, 2 shades of nude lip stains, one slightly deeper and one lighter, and a makeup wipe. All the products will be listed in the description box below. Alright loves, first make sure your lips are clean. I'm using a wipe to remove any oil, old lipstick or product buildup. Starting with a clean canvas helps your lip products apply more smoothly and last longer. Next, take your brown lip stain and carefully line the outer edge of your lips. These steps add definition and create that beautiful gradient effect. If you have been following from episode 1, you are already building your makeup skills step by step. But if you haven't watched episode 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 yet, please go catch up because we are building this glam step by step so you don't miss any important makeup steps. Alright? After lining your lips, don't leave the line harsh. Use your lip brush to gently blend the edges inward. We want a soft transition, not a sharp outline. Gently blend it like so. And when you're done blending, now it's time for the first nude lip stain. Apply the deeper nude shade to the center and blend it into the brown liner using your lip brush. Blending is the secret to achieving a flawless nude lips. For extra dimension, apply your lighter nude lip stain right at the center of your lips. Then blend again until all the shades melt beautifully into each other. Notice how the lips instantly look fuller and more polished. If you have watched up to this point and gained value so far, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. At this point, you can leave it here for a gorgeous matte nude lip or take it a step further. Quick question: are you team matte lips or team glossy lips? Let me know in the comments below. If you are a gloss lover like me, finish the look by applying a clear lip gloss over the lips. This adds shine, makes the lips look plumpy and gives the entire look a fresh, juicy finish. And that's it. A simple beginner-friendly nude lip combo that is easy to recreate and perfect for everyday wear. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.